Now, at least 7 people were killed and 70 injured in stampede during the Temple Festival in North Goa. Of the 70 injured, 8 are said to be in critical condition, while 2 were referred to the Goa Medical College and Hospital in Bambolim. Now, the unfortunate incident happened at the Larai Devi Temple in Shirgaon village. In the early hours of Saturday, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has announced inquiry into Sri Larai Devi Temple stampede. The stampede broke out as thousands of devotees thronged the narrow lanes to the temple for the annual festival. According to officials, at least 30,000 to 40,000 people had gathered for the festival and some were standing on a slope. A few persons fell on the slope, causing others to fall on each other. Thousands of devotees from Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka attended the annual festival at the temple. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited the injured at the North Goa District Hospital. Sawant in the Post X said he received a call from the Prime Minister who offered all his support.
गोवा में शिरगांव ले रही जत्रे की रात को यानी आज सुबह सुबह 4 से 5 बजे तक जो स्टैम्पेड हुआ, उस स्टैम्पेड में 6 लोगों की डेथ हो गई। अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 50 लोगों से ज़्यादा लोग इंजर्ड हो गए। मुझे 5 बजे खबर मिलते ही मैं खुद होके वहाँ से निकला। हमारे पूरे पुलिस साइट पे थे, पुलिस पूरे कंट्रोल ले चुके थे एक्चुअली। जिन लोगों को शिफ्ट किया तो शिफ्ट हॉस्पिटल में लाने से पहले ही 6 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी थी। बाकी सभी लोगों के मैंने कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर में खुद होके मैं पहले गया, वहाँ पे 2 लोग की डेड बॉडी थी। बाकी लोग की ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी तरह से कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर जो इंसिडेंट्स के प्लेस से 6-7 किलोमीटर पे हॉस्पिटल है, वहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे थे। कुछ लोगों को रिफर हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में किया था। वह डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में भी मैं खुद होके गया, वहाँ पे 4 लोगों की डेड बॉडीज थी और बाकी 10 लोग एडमिट थे। उनकी ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हैं। वहाँ से डायरेक्टली हमारे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज विद अपेक्स हॉस्पिटल वहाँ पे है, वहाँ पे बाकी लोगों की ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है। 10 लोग वहाँ पे एडमिट हैं, 4 लोगों को इंक्यूबेट कर चुका है, एक उसमें से सीरियस है। इस पूरे इंसिडेंट्स में जो हर साल वहाँ पे जत्रा होती है, 50,000 से ज़्यादा क्राउड हर साल वहाँ पे अग्नि दिव्य कुंड से जाने के लिए वहाँ पे लोग आते हैं।
Most unfortunate incidents that has occurred. Goddess Lerai's Jatra, which is supposed to be one of the most auspicious. People look forward to this Jatra every year, and this incident which has happened of stampede is really very sad. The whole emergency services are always active, but they've been pressed into total action. My whole team, along with the Secretary Health, Arun Mishra, Dean Goa Medical College, Advisor to Health, Fazil Araujo, my medical superintendents, Dr. Rajesh Patil, Varsha Monj, Uday Kakodkar, and the whole team has been active all night. Heads of department in Goa Medical College, and our team has been on the field the whole night from the time we heard of the incident. Sushma Saini, 108 head, has also been active. We are trying our best to see that we are able to reduce the casualties. 80 people have been injured and brought to the hospitals. And in addition, the whole focus of the health department is to save the lives of the critically injured that are amounting to about 10. And more than 6 to 7 people have lost their lives. My condolences deeply go to the family. Whatever we can do as the Ministry for Health and the state government, we will do. Our job is to see that we are able to save lives, and we want to save the lives. With the blessings of Goddess Lerai, I'm sure we'll be able to save the lives of the injured. I pray to her for her blessings to give us the strength to save the lives of the people and even the injured. And we are able to, critical lives, we are able to save them and, hand the patients over in good health to the families. I'm really saddened by this incident. This should not have happened. This has happened. This is really unfortunate. My sentiments are with all the families who have lost their lives and also the injured. We are doing our best. I want to reassure them that the department and the health services is doing their best and the government is doing their best to save their lives.
ये एक दुखद इंसिडेंट हुआ है कल। ये नॉर्थ गोवा में जो श्रीगांव है, इसकी बहुत ही ऐसी यात्रा है जिसमें लाखों श्रद्धालु हर साल आते हैं और कल भी बहुत बड़ी तादाद में गोवा और महाराष्ट्र और आसपास के इलाके से यहाँ पे श्रद्धालु आए हुए थे और पुलिस और बाकी प्रशासन ने काफ़ी अच्छी व्यवस्था की हुई थी। कल दिन में मीडिया के साथ हम लोगों ने पुलिस प्रबंध जो था और लोगों की हम कैसे मदद कर रहे हैं उसके कुछ फुटेज वगैरह भी जारी किए थे। ड्रोन की भी व्यवस्था थी और रात के समय लगभग 2:45-3 बजे के आसपास वहाँ पे ये आपके पीछे जो एरिया है, यहाँ पे कुछ र्यूमर की वजह से या कई 1-2 तरह की बातें सामने आ रही हैं जिसकी अभी जांच चल रही है। तो सडनली लोगों में भगदड़ हुई और करीब 150 से 200 लोग जो थे वो उस भगदड़ के अंदर नीचे गिर गए और पुलिस ने और बाकी वॉलंटियर्स ने सबने मिलकर इमीडिएटली ये रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन किया, जिसकी वजह से उनको इमीडिएटली शिफ्ट किया गया हॉस्पिटल में। और सबसे जो रिस्पांस अच्छा ये रहा कि इस पूरे इंसिडेंट को बहुत छोटे से एरिया में कन्फाइन किया गया। आपको मालूम है कि इसमें लगभग 2 से 3 किलोमीटर तक जो है उस इलाके में श्रद्धालु और भक्तजन जो है वो फैले हुए थे उस टाइम पे। और अगर ये इंसिडेंट बाकी एरियाज में फैल जाता तो ये बड़ी घटना हो सकती थी। लेकिन इमीडिएटली उनको रेस्क्यू करके हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाया गया, मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted and said that he was saddened by the loss of lives due to the stampede in Shargaon. Later, opposition and Lok Sabha leaders as well as Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi also gave their condolences to the victims of the stampede.
Yatra happens every year. There are thousands of people that come to it. It's very well organized. That's what I'm saying. Somehow, what has probably gone wrong is the people management at this point of time at this particular yatra. And while rumors can spread in a crowd and a crowd can go completely berserk and lead to such kind of tragedies, but we don't know that at this point of time. There are many people saying many things, and therefore it's only prudent that we wait for the investigations to conclude and then realize what truly happened, whether there was genuinely a sabotage, whether there was a concern or a rumor that was spread, or whether there was genuinely a concern that could have led the crowd to be, not expect what was going to happen, and therefore the crowd behaved in the manner in which they did, like most crowds do when there is a fear of psychosis in a particular situation. So I think it's too premature to say what led to it, but what is the truth is that if we preempted such kind of tragedies in festivals, and festivals happening all over Goa, the festivals happening all over the country, and we've seen incidents that have happened. There have to be proper mechanisms in place and proper police management systems in place to be able to deal with crowds, because what leads into a tragedy in a crowded place is an inability to control the crowd. Nobody goes to a festival to intend to be a victim or to be a part of a mob that leads to somebody being killed. Unfortunately, it happens because there's no proper management of that crowd at that point of time, and that I think is where we should learn from such tragedies and learn to preempt and set up systems that deal with these kind of tragedies. That's the real core lessons that we must take, and those responsible post the investigation, if there was genuinely a sabotage and a rumor that led to it, then the people responsible for it must be punished. Because at the end of the day, you've seen 6 people, unfortunately lost their lives and 50 people injured. That need not have been the situation, but it is. So therefore, we need to be preemptive in such